How to delete health app on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually delete the health app on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete the health application on your iPhone, right over here on your iPhone also has some bloatwares available, and here you can see the stock health app. And if you want to delete the health app, you have to do it like you would normally do on any of the other apps. That is by simply long pressing on it, tapping on remove app, and tapping the option called delete app that you can find over here. Once you've done that, you can just try to open up settings again, and if you want to remove all your history of earlier, you can just come here and then simply go to the health option here, scroll down and just try to go to data and devices and just try to delete all of your medical ID or whatever else is there over here. So go to medical ID and then just try to delete your medical ID. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.